What's up YouTube? Another Nike outlet find here for you. As you can see, this box is like severely damaged, but that's okay. The shoes inside are doing just fine. Let's check them out. As you can see, this is a pair of LeBrons. Not just any LeBron, it's a LeBron 3. Pretty nice colorway. I got them for $170. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure they're 40% off. Pretty good deal, around 106 Canadian dollars, I think. Around 80 US, which is a pretty crazy deal for a shoe like this. As you can see, it's pretty tough to open the box when they're so damaged. Here's the shoe. The box opens up quite nicely. The shoes themselves come with blue, red, and white laces. Great colorway, blue, red, and white. I believe this is the Houston Oilers colorway. I might be wrong about that. Let me know in the comment section below. Awesome bottoms on these. In fact, they say James. That's pretty cool. Other interesting things, nice little King James logo, lion on the tongue, metal lace tips on all these laces. Even the extra laces come with metal lace tips. That's pretty awesome if you ask me. Let's bring the other one out here. Throw them on foot in a second. If you like these shoes, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. You should be able to find a pretty good deal on these. I mean, not as good of a deal as I got, but I'm pretty sure you'll find a good deal. Let's check them out on foot. So as you can see on foot, these are insanely nice. There's a lot of cushioning throughout the shoe. They're pretty heavy, but I wouldn't suggest playing basketball in them. They look really good with these pants, especially because they stack so well. If you're interested in jeans like this, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description for Scotch and Soda jeans. These are pretty nice. I get a size that's a little bit too long for me, so that they stack better, especially at the back here. Ultimately, this is an awesome pair of shoes. If you like them, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. If you think the pants are fire, check out the Amazon affiliate link. If you don't want to buy them, I understand, but if you have anything to say about the shoes, comment about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.